Hello everybody, in this video we'll see how subTest method from Python Unittest module can help you write good test cases while saving you some time and make it more readable, and the errors are easily distinguishable. So we already have some test cases from previous example with the bookstore service. If we look at the first two test methods, we can see that both of them are testing the same function with a little difference in arguments which them passed. So let's try to refactor this code to do better by writing a loop to iterate the values we expected to check. At the first, I want to create a list of params of every case, so it can be look like. Here will be some params like the test name, some arguments which will pass into the tested function, and an expected result. Now we have all the test cases together in one list, so we're going to iterate them one by one and put the params from each test to tested function. Also, just here in the loop, we're going to make an assertion for each test. Let's delete unnecessary old test methods and run the test. Okay, all test passed and now it works within one test method, so we make our code a little cleanly. Alright, let's break some test cases to look how it will show failures information now. Okay, we've got some failures here, and it says the expected and actual list of books don't match. But the problem here is not evident which option failed. So let's try to fix that problem with run out test with the subTest method. The subTest uses the context manager, so let's define the with statement. Then we call the subTest method with a message, some formatting, will be case name, and the value. Then move our test inside the block. So let's run the test to see how test result will look now. Okay, it also shows us some assertion errors. But now, at the end of output, it clearly tells of which particular value in which test case failed. Quite evidently, this makes your test case more readable, the errors are easily distinguishable, and you can confidently flex writing smaller but efficient test cases.